In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change location, country, or region on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. And now first off, you need to switch our Instagram personal page to business page. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here and these 3 lines. And now we need to scroll down all the way until we find here account type and tools. After that, I'm gonna tap add switch to professional account. Then continue one more time. Here we can choose a category for our business. I'm just gonna keep personal. You can choose a different one here. And on the next step, it is very important step, guys, because by default it is said to create. However, we need to switch it to business just like that. Then hit next. And now on that step, we can easily set our business address by typing right here. That's where we can enter our city or town. I'm just gonna enter. Dog, you're here from here. We can choose one of the options from the suggested. Also, there we can enter our zip code. And also here we can enter a street address. Just like that. After that, to save the changes, we just need to hit next here and then done. After that, we can just hit next and then we can skip all the following steps because they are not that important for us. I have already set my location or address in my Instagram profile now. However, I can easily switch it then again. If I head over here to edit profile, that's where we need to tap add contact options. And here we can find our business address right there. We can tap right and here, and then we'll be able to change it again. Basically, guys, that's it. So this video is helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button